Ladies and gentlemen, first video back in the greenhouse. Till autumn's here, winter's on its way. I'm going to be sowing these today. 99 pence from Thompson and Morgan, scabious, summer Sunday. So as you can see, you're supposed to sow February, March, April, also June, July, August, September. This is a hardy annual, so I'm going to start it off in one of my new heater propagators I built. Then see how I get on. So let's get opening this, see how pan out what's inside. Yeah, let's see what these seeds look like, shall we? Here we go. Excuse me. Just get in there. First of all, before I forget, I need to fill the tray with compost. You can't really grow them without the compost, can you? Get it nice and spread out. I'm going to leave about 1 centimetre from the top, so it's easy enough to water it. Once the compost is in, you want to take your piece of wood and just push it into the corners. Get it nice and level. Nice little surface to sow your seeds on. Like so. It's a centimetre roughly. That's that done. As you can see here, the sowing instructions are: sow seed on the surface of a lightly firm, moist seed compost. Well, we've got that in pots or trays. Lightly cover the seed with a sprinkle of fine grade vermiculite. You keep it temperatures 18 to 21. So right, vermiculite next. Okay, I've got some there. Here we go. And this is what we're talking about. This stuff here. It's pretty cheap from any local garden centres, hardware stores. So right, let's get the seeds sowing now. Best bit, see what they look like. There you go. You can get that. You don't get many, you get about 40 I think. So what we need to do is just gently spread them about as evenly as you can. Like so. Make sure you get right into the corner of the packets, because we only get a few. You don't want to waste any. Right, like it says now, a thin layer of vermiculite. So spread it along, probably 1/2 centimetre. You don't want to go mad with the stuff. Just enough to cover it. Like so. And you got there. And then just water it in. Give it, don't drench it, just gently backwards and forwards. Until you've got it wet enough. This is going in a heater propagator, so there'll be plenty of moisture in there, so don't have to go up mad. That's enough. Plenty. Right, just write a little sign out now. I'm dyslexic. So scabiaso. S-C-A-B. I know what it means. Right, we've got the tag onto the side, so you know what it is. Right, let's put it into the propagator now. Here we go. Well, look, shall we? As you can see, it's in there. So 21 days, 21 days. As soon as they start sprouting, I shall take them out of there, and it's frost free, and grow them on in a cooler climate. So that's scabious. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Good day, bye.